Welcome to our culinary adventure, where we'll be exploring the diverse and mouth-watering world of Italian cuisine. Italy is a country renowned for its rich culinary traditions and regional specialties. Today, we'll take a tantalizing tour through different regions of Italy, each with its unique flavors and dishes. So, let's dive right in. Our first stop is the sunny region of southern Italy, where the cuisine is influenced by Mediterranean flavors and fresh seafood. Here in southern Italy, you'll find delightful dishes like linguine alla vongole, a pasta dish made with clams, garlic, olive oil, and a touch of chili flakes. It's a true taste of the sea. What makes linguine alla vongole so exceptional is its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. The star of the show is undoubtedly the clams, fresh from the ocean, that infuse the dish with their briny and slightly sweet flavors. These delicate mollusks are cooked just until they open, releasing their natural juices and aromas, which combine with the other ingredients to create a symphony of taste. Next, we journey to the enchanting region of Tuscany, known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and hearty cuisine. In Tuscany, you can't miss trying the iconic bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick and juicy T-bone steak seasoned with salt, pepper, and grilled to perfection. Pair it with a glass of Chianti wine for a match made in culinary heaven. The preparation of bistecca alla fiorentina is minimalistic, allowing the quality of the meat to shine. The steak is seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and sometimes a drizzle of olive oil before being cooked to perfection on a hot grill. The result is a masterpiece of meat, where each bite offers a symphony of flavors rich, smoky, and deeply satisfying. Now, we venture to the birthplace of pizza, the city of Naples. Here, we discover the art of Neapolitan pizza. Neapolitan pizza is characterized by its thin, soft, and chewy crust, topped with simple yet flavorful ingredients like San Marzano tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's a slice of heaven. What sets Neapolitan pizza apart is its adherence to strict guidelines that preserve its authenticity. The dough is made using only 4 basic ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. It is meticulously hand-kneaded and left to rise slowly, allowing the gluten to develop and create a light, airy texture. The result is a crust that strikes the perfect balance between softness and chewiness. Our next destination is Bologna, the culinary capital of the Emilia-Romagna region. Where pasta and cured meats reign supreme, Bologna is famous for its handmade pasta, such as tagliatelle al ragu, a luscious pasta dish topped with a slow-cooked meat sauce. And let's not forget the iconic mortadella, a flavorful cured meat enjoyed in sandwiches or as an antipasto. Bologna's culinary reputation is rooted in its authentic and beloved dishes. Among the city's culinary icons is tagliatelle al ragu, a pasta dish featuring long, flat ribbons of pasta coated in a rich, slow-cooked meat sauce. Every bite of this heavenly combination is a celebration of the region's culinary prowess. Finally, we arrive in the romantic city of Venice, located in the Veneto region. Here, we discover the delicate and refined flavors of Venetian cuisine. Our culinary tour through Italy has come to an end, but the flavors and traditions we've experienced will stay with us forever. Italy's regional cuisine is a celebration of diversity, passion, and culinary artistry. So, I encourage you to explore and savor the treasures of Italian cuisine for yourself. Salute! Cheers to the wonderful world of Italian. Check out our YouTube channel for more exciting videos on Italian culture.